Good morning. It's Christmas Eve and I'm digging up some harvest, some parsnips, carrots and stuff for my Christmas lunch. Let's see how it goes. Next is these carrots. We're going to see if there's any of them left. Well, any of them that have grown well enough. Okay, that's not very long. Let's try this one. Bit of carrot root fly. Again, not very long. That one might be worth pulling up. Bit better. Fair amount. Looks like carrot root fly. Yeah. And on that one. I don't know how many of these are going to be edible, thanks to the carrot root fly. I did not have these netted. Oh, it's awful. You know, these carrots were the ones I sowed very late. It was late summer. Let me show you. Literally only have a handful of carrots. The rest of them have got carrot root fly, and there's too much carrot root fly for the size of the carrot for it to be worth harvesting. So I'm grateful for a little bit, but when you actually see stuff wiggling out of the carrot, you know it's got carrot root fly. Lesson learnt, I will net them next year. So, not a big harvest, but that's the best ones. And if we look at the bed, most of them are very thin. They didn't go well, but at least it's something for Christmas Day. I'm just hoping there won't be any leaf miner in it. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to pick those few Brussels sprouts, and there's actually some kaleets here. So I'm going to pick these and then go home. Unfortunately, this is all the carrots that don't have lots of carrot root fly. So the carrots, yeah, they were pretty much a disaster. Oh well. Not a lot to harvest, but some kaleets, a few bits of leek, reasonable parsnip, and literally a few carrots. Well, that's not what I thought I might be able to harvest, but it's better than nothing. So have a Merry Christmas and enjoy your allotment veg if you have any. Thanks for watching, bye for now.